How is MTBF calculated for product reliability? Have you ever wondered how engineers figure out how long a product will last before it breaks down? One key metric they use is called mean time between failures, or MTBF. This number helps them understand reliability and improve designs for safety. Let's break down how MTBF is calculated and what it means for product reliability. To find MTBF, you start with two main pieces of information: total operational time and the number of failures. Total operational time is the total hours that all units have been running without any issues. For example, if you have 10 devices and each one runs for 500 hours, you would multiply 10 by 500 to get 5,000 hours of total operational time. Next, you need to count the number of failures that occurred during that time. If 2 of those 10 devices failed during the 500 hours, then you have 2 failures. Now you can use the MTBF formula. You take the total operational time, which we calculated as 5,000 hours, and divide it by the number of failures, which is 2. So, 5,000 hours divided by 2 failures gives you an MTBF of 2,500 hours. This means that, on average, these devices will experience a failure every 2,500 hours of operation. It is important to remember that MTBF is an average for a group of products, not a prediction for a single unit. It assumes that the products can be repaired and does not include units that have not yet failed. MTBF also does not measure how serious the failures are, just how often they happen. In the field of reliability engineering, understanding MTBF helps designers and maintenance teams plan better. If a product has a low MTBF, engineers can look into why failures are happening and make improvements. This might involve redesigning parts or using better materials to increase reliability. MTBF is different from mean time to failure, which is used for products that cannot be repaired. Mean time to failure is calculated by dividing total time by the number of units tested, regardless of whether they failed or not. MTBF focuses on repairable products and only counts actual failures. In short, MTBF is a straightforward calculation that provides a useful metric for understanding product reliability. By averaging the time between failures, it helps engineers identify patterns and improve designs, ultimately leading to safer and more reliable products.